What's up? It's been a while since I put a video up on my channel. Almost at 1 million views, which is pretty crazy. But haven't been in the shop that much. My son is going to be 3 in September, which it's just the end of March now. So I'm starting to get some time now as he's a little bit older, and we are making bookcases on top of cabinets we put around our fireplace. So I already have the face frame glued on this one. It's set into the front of the case with dominoes, but they're not glued because I want to be able to take it off and do the final scribe. I made them so they fit just pretty tight between the mantle and the wall. But first time using the Kreg Shelf Pin Jig. I was going to buy a different brand of, Kreg's homeowner for the most part. They do make some decent stuff. So I was looking to buy a major brand shelf pin jig, but I talked to one of my buddies that works at a cabinet shop. Well, they don't just do cabinets. It's a fine woodworking shop, and he said, get these. You can link them together. They're not that expensive. I think they're 39 bucks a piece. I bought 3 of them. I like the fact that you can link them. So all I have now, I have it set up like a face frame because that's what these are. These cabinets have. This case has a face frame, and they're pretty simple. So I took the little, there's a little tab that comes off the top. I took that off when I first started drilling so I could make it flush. Sorry about the light. Flush up against the top of the cabinet. So I use that as a reference for both the front and the back. Came down. There's gonna be 3 shelves where you can probably see the lines that are gonna be probably never gonna adjust them, but I'm gonna put 4 holes per shelf area, and this thing is so easy. I basically link them together. Comes with the, let's see if that'll focus, brad point drill bit with a collar. I set this so that I could drill 3/8 deep because that's what the consensus was from what I found. So as always, I did a couple test holes and then just measured them with my dial caliper until I dialed it in right. No big deal. I don't think it's an exact science. If they're a little shallow or deeper, as long as the pins fit in there, you're fine. But I wanted to start with a good reference of 3/8 since I've never done it before. I think I already showed you that. Just using a regular drill with chuck, metal chuck, nothing crazy. And I just made a quick cheat board so when I don't have to remeasure on the other side of this cabinet and on that cabinet, which I haven't put the face frame on yet. Then I can just go mark it and I'll know where to drill my holes. And if you haven't seen this before, this is what you use as your reference, this pin. The front fits right into their flush, and like it's perfect size. And then this, the shank is what is the same size as the shelf pin drilling guide. Okay, that's where I'm at. I highly recommend it. It's simple, easy to use, does a good job, and I will definitely use it again. I had purchased one originally, but since I'm drilling multiple shelf areas, I figure I don't only have to move it twice as opposed to multiple times if I only had one. So that's where it is. Hopefully I'll be able to start making some more videos again and getting back into the shop. And as some commented, I'm not professional at making videos or anything. I just put this stuff up there because I learned a lot on YouTube and I want to give back what I can. And also for reference so I can go back and look at stuff I've done. So I hope all is well, and I'm going to get drilling the rest of these shelf pins holes.